Today we will discuss the principle of art in fashion design.
I'm Jasmine Cantela and I will discuss the principle of art in fashion design. Fashion designers apply the different principle of design in their creation. Dahil ang paggamit ng principle of design, gaya ng balanse, diin at ritmo, ay lumilikha sa damit ng aesthetically pleasing at functional. Ang mga prinsipyong ito ay nag-oorganisa ng mga elemento ng disenyo, kagaya ng kulay, hugis, at texture, para makamit ang isang partikular na epekto. They consider the color and texture in the selection of fabric, materials, and accessories as they conceptualize a design. Pinipili ng mga fashion designer ang kulay at texture ng mga tela at accessories dahil malaki ang epekto nito sa itsura. Ang mga katangian ng materyales gaya ng ginhawa at tibay ay isinasaalang-alang para sa isang magandang disenyo. Fashion is both an art and a science. Ang fashion ay parehong sining at agham dahil pinagsasama nito ang malikhaing ekspresyon o sining at teknikal na kaalaman or agham. Ang disenyo ay nangangailangan ng artistikong pananaw, abang ang paggawa nito ay nangangailangan ng pag-unawa sa mga materyales, proseso at teknolohiya. To be more precise, it is an artistic science and scientific art of learning to combine color, style, pattern, and texture for the final effect that is right for the time, place, and the user. The principle of design serve as a guideline for combining elements sapagkat ang principle of design ay nagsisilbing gabay sa pagsama-sama ng mga elemento dahil nagbibigay sila ng estruktura at organisasyon sa isang disenyo. Nagsisilbi silang batayan para sa paglikha ng balanse, diin, pagkakaisa at iba pang mahalagang elemento na nagbibigay kahulugan at kaakit-akit sa isang disenyo. Again, the way in which these principles are applied affect the expressive context or the message of the work. Fashion designers consciously think of this principle as they work, so if something went wrong with their design, they analyze the problem in terms of proportion, balance, rhythm, emphasize in unity to create harmonious design. Sinusuri ng mga fashion designer ang kanilang mga disenyong damit, ang mga prinsipyo ng proportion, balance, ritmo, diin at pagkakaisa upang matiyak ang isang balancing resulta. At kung may mali, madali nilang matukoy ang problema at maayos ito batay sa mga nasabing prinsipyo.
My name is Jerwin de la Cruz. I will discuss the balance. Balance. A garment must be balanced to be visually pleasing. A balance is also the concept of visual equilibrium and relates to our physical sense of balance. Balance can be achieved in one of two ways: symmetrically and symmetrically. Symmetrically balanced, this is the most straightforward type. A garment with symmetrical balance has identical elements arranged on either side of central axis. Asymmetrically balanced, this type of balance is more complex. It achieves equilibrium by using elements of different visual weight arranged strategically. Sa madaling salita, ang symmetrically is mirrored while asymmetrically is balanced but not mirrored. Symmetrically, the assign is the same on both sides. Think of a perfectly mirrored design. Symmetrical, the sign is not the sum on both sides but still well balanced.
My name is Pastor Canyo and I will discuss the proportion and rhythm.
So I will discuss the proportion. Proportion refers to the pleasing relationship between the sizes of all parts of a garment. It's about the relative sizes of different elements working harmoniously together. Ang proportion ay tumutukoy sa magandang balanse at ugnayan ng mga sukat ng iba't ibang bahagi ng isang damit. Halimbawa, kung ano ang sukat at haba ng manggas ay ganun din dapat sa kabila. Pantay para maging kaaya-aya ng isang damit sa mata, hindi lang dapat basta-basta. So now, let's proceed the rhythm. Rhythm is a sense of movement and is necessary to create interest in a designs and carry out the central theme. And ang rhythm ay isang halimbawa kung paano likain sa pamamagitan ng paulit-ulit na mga linya. Halimbawa, pahalang, patayo, o padiagonal na linya. These three principles, balance, proportions, and rhythm, are fundamental to creating visually appealing and well-designed garments. A well-balanced garment with a good proportions and a strong sense of rhythm is more likely to be considered successful and attractive.
Hi everyone, my name is Jessica Sells and I'm going to discuss emphasis. Emphasis is a principle of art that draws attention to the focal point of a composition. It serves to highlight the important elements and guide the viewer's focus. The purpose of this is to create a center of interest and a design which enhances the overall effectiveness of a visual composition. Characteristic of emphasis. The first one is focal point, the main area of interest in a composition that captures the viewer's attention. The next one is relation to composition. The focal point should relate to the overall structure of the artwork or garment. Designers can achieve emphasis through a variety of methods that include color accent, use of vibrant colors to create focal points within the composition. Contrasting colors can draw immediate attention. The second one is significant shape or details. Implementing unique shape or intricate details that stand out among other elements. These details can create usual interest and guide the viewer's eye. The third one is lines coming together. Lines can direct the viewer's gaze towards the important features of the design. And the last one is group of details or contrast. Grouping similar details can create emphasis or repetition. Use of contrast, light versus dark, smooth versus rough, to accentuate particular element. Emphasis play a crucial role in art and design by directing the viewer's attention, enhancing the overall composition. By effectively using various techniques such as color, shape, and lines, artists and designers can create impactful, useful experience.
I'm Jerome Escopito and I will discuss about the unity. Unity, when all the elements and principles of designs work together, then a designer has a successful design. In this way, unity works in his/her designs. Unity is the underlying principles that summarizes all of the principles and elements of designs. It's also the coherence of the whole. It is a harmony of all the parts and at the end form a successful design. The purpose of unity transforms a group of individuals into a cohesive unit, stronger and more effective than the sum of its parts. For examples, the Unity in Game, a popular games development platform, and the Unity of Religions, a philosophical concept about the common ground between different faiths.